with the Five of Wands and the Tower moment. Uh, so ang nakikita natin dito, medyo maganda naman yung Tower moment dito kasi it's a transformative. It is an energy of something is going to change. It may be for harmony. That's true kasi Five of Wands, it should be chaotic. But with the Tower in here, pwede pa ba itong mas magulo? Or I feel like this is something better, no? With the Knight of Wands rather, and the Judgment, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. So we are very aligned with the reading. Kasi parang sinabi mo dito, sana pala noon pa, no? Sana ito na nga, ginawa ko na, no? Sana naglakas loob ako before with the Seven of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. Parang feeling ko dito, medyo may pag, bukod sa pagsisisi, sinisisi mo rin yung sarili mo na ikaw kasi, no, ang bagal-bagal mo, ikaw kasi masyado kang takot, no, ikaw kasi masyado kang nag-overthink, no. So parang pinapagalitan mo yung sarili mo dito, yan tuloy, no. Parang na-stuck tayo sa isang situation wherein you should be productive, no. I think that you're being harsh to yourself, yun na lang. With the Five of Cups and the Empress. So, ang nakikita naman natin dito, tinitingnan mo ngayon yung sarili mo. Do I still have it? No? Do I still have the looks? No? Kung single ka, siguro tinitingnan mo yung sarili mo ngayon sa salamin or lately, no? Ito yata yung gusto niya, no? Ito yata yung pananamit na gusto niya. Noon ko pa 'to gustong gawin. Ayan tuloy naunahan ako noon, no? Sana pala noon pa, no? Nag-transform na ako. Ganon din naman dun sa, alam niyo yung, parang you're deep diving, no? Sa inyong sarili na I have it. Um, I am capable, no? Pero, yun nga, nag nag-overthink ako. With the Nine of Wands, hindi pa naman uli ang lahat. With the King of Cups. So parang sinasabi mo dito, try ko nga uli. No? Sinasabi mo dito, hindi ko bibiglain, no? Baka magdugo. Ang gagawin mo dito is, parang pasundot-sundot, no?